I keep moving forward, but the manifestation never catches up with me. Well, then there's something out of balance in your energies, because that's just not how it works. When you hold a desire and you focus upon the desire, and you stop focusing upon the absence of the desire, the new desire has to fill in the space. It just has to. And if it isn't, if your spaces, meaning your now, meaning what you can hear and see and smell and taste and touch, if your now reality is not filling in with the things that you desire, then your vibration is not quite where you think it is. So as your awareness is, as it clearly is, and it's all right, it's the way most are doing, is upon what is now and therefore what's missing from now, your awareness of the missing things in your now prevent them from coming. Creating is about identifying what is wanted and then letting that identification have been enough and now be in an optimistic mood for the universe to deliver to you the clues and the impulses and the advantages of witnessing those things that you desire filling, flooding, moving into your experience. So we're going to say it in very blunt terms. Your awareness of now is preventing your now from changing, because your attention upon what is such a dominant vibration. So you're offering a vibration mostly about what is, and it's full of questions like, where is it, and what do I need to do differently, and why doesn't it come faster, and those kinds of things, which keeps it from coming. Now is what's getting in the way of what you want to create, because now has already been created. What you're living now, this now reality, this is as a result of the energies that you have flowed. In other words, this now reality is old news, and it is also the bouncing off place for what is new. And so you've got to get more of your attention on the feeling of where you're going, and the feeling of expansion, and the feeling of the new, and the feeling of adventure. And you've got to get your attention off of the disappointment that now isn't more. Mold your energy, your point of attraction, so that you can receive what you desire. This is deliberate creation at its best. And there are just no more blunt words that we can give to you, is that if you are keenly aware of what is in your reality, what is in your reality will keep becoming more of what is in your reality. And so if things are missing and you're focused upon what is, those missing things will continue to be what is, you see. So be a little less in your head and a little more in your emotions. Be a little more general and a little less specific. And so let's let that more readiness that you are accomplishing be more emotional anticipation and less determination of making it happen.